Hello, hello, everyone. Hello, hello. How is everyone going? How are you? Hello, my friend Hamtsiz. How are you, mate? I'm doing very, very well. Thanks for asking, mate. Nice to see you. Welcome, everybody. Hello, Monica. Hello, Unk. Pat, hello. I know that you're going to come in a little bit. Algo 2.0. Nice to see you, mate, also. Nice to see you. Crazy things happen pre-market. Let's see what the market open will bring us. Of course, we are seeing a reaction from this 4-hour bearish fair value gap. But of course, we cannot close our eyes that it is also probably reacting from this bullish 4-hour order block. Also, it is a 1-hour order block over here. All this area is where demand is sitting. We are drop before pre-market. Now we are seeing it's breaking Asia again from the upside. We have a bullish expansion model, of course. So we must be patient. Officially, we are again above Asia. Interesting stuff we are seeing today. Really nice manipulation move. We must all agree in that. Really nice manipulation. But of course, everything is back to normal. And it is pushing hard and really, really hard. Okay, G the Poet, hello, my friend. Nice to see you. Hello, Klimney, how are you? How's it going? Drobin, nice to see you. Can we look at gold? Why not? Let's take a look at gold also. Of course, what can we say about gold? Although I'm seeing lately, as every pair around the dollar that has against the dollar, we are in a consolidation, sideways price action. What are we seeing? We are seeing, of course, that prices overall creating higher highs, higher lows. So what is our drawn liquidity? For sure is price to make a new high. Let's take a quick look from a DR perspective. Of course, price is forming a bullish expansion model. A really nice level that we would like to see price, of course, to react from is from this London DR and probably create higher prices. Of course, my beloved friends, before we begin, everything that I'm saying over here, of course, are for educational purposes only, and they are for sure my opinion. Any trading decision that anyone makes is, of course, based on they are based on their responsibility, my friends. Okay. Weird stuff. Look what a push is going on. Well done, Hamtsiz. I'm so proud of you that you are inside this trade. Really nice, my friend. Really nice. Really, really nice. Really nice. Really nice decision over there. Morning. Okay, we look at gold. Hello, Linda. Nice to see you. How is it going? How are you? How are you? Hamtsiz has made already 5R. You are amazing. ICT concepts from Hamtsiz. From LSM. LSM. Well done, my friend. Well done. Well done. Really nice. Really, really, really nice. What a push. What a push, my friends. What a push. Of course, it took London highs. This is London high, the highest part of the R. Now, what we expect to see from price, no one knows, of course. but I would like to see a small pullback and take a really nice continuation from here. Of course, I'm for sure going to be patient and I'm going to wait at least until 10 o'clock. Did we have any news that created this push? Did we had any news? Oh, we have. Okay. Okay. Price index, core price index. Okay. CPI. Let's be patient. 10 o'clock, we have news. Let's be patient. Let's be patient. Here. Oh, 8 a.m. it was. It was 8 a.m. Okay, that's why. I see 10 o'clock. CPI down here. You don't see it because let me fix it so you can see it. Right. Let's put it left. Hello, Luis. That's AZ time. Okay. 10 o'clock New York time. We have CPI in 25 minutes. Yes, in 25 minutes from now. Yes, exactly, my friend Ken. And exactly. What a trade. Now I just saw what a trade Bear took, my friends, based on the earn as you learn. My friends, earn as you learn is nailing it. Of course, whoever wants to be able to have access to the earn as you learn program, link in the description, trdfloor.com, my beloved friends. A huge package of unlimited hours of education, a bundle of indicators, and of course the Earn as You Learn program. I can't, of course, forget the most supportive community in the trading space. It is here in TTF. You get all of this with such a small amount per month. And we had also an amazing sale. Whoever was grabbed that opportunity, I'm so happy for them. Hello, Pandora. Nice to see you. Luis, nice to see you also, mate. Nice to see you. Thank you for joining, my beloved friends. And of course, if you always enjoy what we are doing over here, please hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, enable all notifications. You can't imagine how much this helps us. So, there is one more reason that we must be very, very patient, and that is, my beloved friends, CPI, of course. CPI in 23 minutes. Yes, 23 minutes. What a trade Bear took based on the earners you learn trading idea. Amazing. He is our earners you learn guru. And of course, along with Jay that created the system. Hello, hostel. Nice to see you. Have a nice day, my beloved friend. I hope that you're enjoying what we are doing over here. Welcome. Let's trade all together. Welcome. What is Ethereum doing? Oh, it broke the supply. Okay. I really like that we are changing character. If this area around here holds, of course, this is not valid anymore. Oh, it is. No, it isn't. I want this area to hold. Look what price area this is. Just simple concepts, no mambo jumbo. This is, of course, a support and resistant level. This is a support and resistant level. Here, we would like to see in general this area of price to hold. Why? Because we want, of course, to form this huge triangle over here. Look, and create a new year's high, a new high. This is our overall target. You can't be bearish in crypto. You can't be bearish in anything. You can't be bearish in anything. Let's go. Whoa, what is price doing over here? It needs update. Update to the latest version. I'm updating you, Mr. Indicator. Perfect. Let's see. Okay. Now it's pulling back. We must for sure wait. Let's also enable the 4-hour candle to see how it is forming. It's really important to see how price will close to this 4-hour fair value gap, if it respects it or not. If it breaks it with a body, then for sure this will be an inverted fair value gap. Then we must look for sure for higher prices. Don't forget, my friends, everything that I'm saying over here is my personal opinion, and any trading decisions that anyone wants to make are exclusively on their responsibility. Hello, PGA. Linda says EIL rocks. Yes, it is. It rocks. My friends, it's free money on the table. Earn as you learn is free money on the table. It is especially for beginner traders that want to earn a few bucks to pay some subscriptions. And of course, it is for any stage of trader that you are. Why? Even if you are an intermediate, even if you are an expert, it's free money. You don't do anything. You put small analysis upon it so you can get even more sniper entries. And of course, you can earn as easy as it can get. Don't forget, earn as you learn is a huge opportunity. Link in the description, trdfloor.com, whoever is a member of TTF and wants to join. Of course, we add upon these trade ideas. Me, Jay, Bear, we do live streams upon the subject of earn as you learn. Why? Because we want to help even more the members to get more sniper entries so it can be used also for prop firms. And we also post analysis in TradeLab. Okay, it's pushing again very hard. Whoa. Pre-news. This is a pre-news candle. Pre-news, probably. It is pre-news. It's pre-news. Let's see. Thank you very much, my friends. Hit the like button if you are enjoying the content. And of course, you can't imagine how much you help us when you press the like button, and not only hitting the like button, subscribing to the channel, and of course, enabling all notifications. Hello, PGA. PGA says I took a small entry with very good profit when NAS 100 broke the Asian DR before New York Open. Whoa, you took a really nice Asian DR breakout over there. Details and how we teach, of course, the Asian DR breakout and in general our view of the DR strategy taught from me. Of course, in order to have access to my live streams, you must be members of TTF. Link in the description. Unlimited detailed strategy, step by step, 100% mechanical. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, execute. White 1 or no, 1 or 0, like a computer. like a computer. What is this going on? Who believes in magic? Random. Again, random. This again, random. I would execute for sure, but I'm afraid of the news. I'm afraid of the news. Okay. How was your trading day? PGA told us, took a small position. Unk says, can you explain why you consider 4-hour candle? Because, my beloved friend, it is based on how we read simple PA. Understanding what the higher time frames does, you can form a trading plan only based on that. What do I mean? We every day for a 4-hour candle sprint. So if you are trading for example, from a weekly perspective, yes, from a weekly perspective, and you are expecting, for example, price to go and take this high, and you see 4-hour price action forming and it's showing bullish form, because why price is doing, it's respecting demand, bullish order blocks all the time. So the formation of the candle can show us one more time how important order flow and price action can be. If we have, look, this big wick of this 4-hour candle says a lot to us. It says that price and buyers are pushing. So if I had any intentions to go short, I won't go when I see this 4-hour candle form. Okay. Using a simple filter. Beside all the other filters that we use, I can also add upon it the 1-hour order flow, everything. I can add many more things upon it. But the most important is to understand what the true price action is doing, to add it as a confluence. Algo says no trade for me. Maybe in New York, yes, probably. Let's see. I really don't trust, unfortunately. I really don't trust. I really don't trust what I'm seeing. I'm afraid of the news. We must be careful. Okay. Algo 2.0 says, which with which indicator are you showing the big 4H candle on the right? It is called power of 3 and it is from 2 degrees. 2 degrees. You can choose, you can show the daily, the 8-hour, the 6-hour, any. It is a free indicator, of course. This creator also has paid versions of his indicators, but of course, we only want to show in our live streams the free versions. And it's just showing what a candle forms. The paid one shows a little bit more things, okay? Okay, let's go. What will happen? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go. Come on. Pat says a good day and way to end the week. I'm so happy for you, Pat. Well done. Our super scalper, Mrs. Pat. Mrs. or Mr. Pat. You're welcome, Algo 2.0. Unk, got it, thanks. Because before we focused more on the 1-hour order flow. I'm still more focused on the 1-hour order flow. I always am. I'm just looking the 4-hour just from a price action perspective. I will always go to the 1 hour and see what's going on. I never, you must all understand, I'm showing to all of you multiple concepts, multiple things to watch out because they are, you can add layers upon layers so you can be able to form a better feeling of what the market is doing. That's why I'm introducing. There's no doubt, of course, that the order flow in the 1 hour is bullish. That's why I haven't mentioned it. Okay. We are always focused on what, of course, the 1 hour does. But remember, 4 1 hour candles is 1 4/8 candle. 4 1 hour candles is 1 4/8. So, what is the 1/8? It is even more detailed 4 hour candle. A 4 hour candle. You understand what I mean? We go layer upon layer. Interesting stuff. Interesting. My friends, I'm very, very curious to see what will happen. I have a good feeling today that we are going to have really nice PA. I hope so, of course. No one knows what will happen. No one knows what will happen. It's pushing again. 10 minutes before news. 10 minutes before news. Hello, Thomas. Nice to see you, mate. Today I had a really nice opportunity of the Asian DRE test on GU, but I didn't took it because we are in a bit of consolidation on the 4 hour time frame. Would you do the same or should I take that trade? My beloved friend, if during your back testing you considered the 4 hour price action, then yes. I am in a level of my trading career that I will tell you that if the 1 hour and the 4 hour aren't clear, yes, I won't execute the trade. Even if my edge told me to do it. Today, it end up in a winner. Tomorrow, it will save you from a bad situation. That's why only data can tell us the truth. From experience, I will tell you that when prices in general in the higher time frames consolidating, nothing plays out as we expect. Nothing plays out. You can understand it from here. Look what price action, look what we are facing the last days here on NQ. So, if you ask me my personal opinion, I would say that you did well because it didn't fill all your criterias. Even the criterias that don't have to do specifically with the concepts. Because if you remember, I have told to many of you many times that as many stacked confluences we have, of course, it makes the trade even more high probability. Without this meaning, of course, that we must have 200 confluences, okay, to take a trade. The most simple the plan can be, the best it is. Always. This is a law. So, in my opinion, we always take a look at the higher time frames. If we like what we are seeing, then we execute our edge in the lower time frames. So, very nice decision, my friend Thomas. Very nice decision. Okay, okay. You're welcome, my friend Thomas. You're welcome. You're welcome. I can't trust. I can't trust price now for some reason. I can't trust price. It's too dangerous to take a trade now. It's very, very dangerous. I can't take this risk. You're welcome, Smaragda. You're welcome. You're welcome. Smaragda is probably from Greece. Nice to meet you. Γεια σου πατριώτισσα. Where are you from? Smaragda. Where are you from? I can't trust what I'm seeing, my friends, now. I can't, for some reason, I can't trust it. It's too dangerous. It's too dangerous to take this trade. Also, look what price action you have to face. Look, this whole leg is quite difficult to face. Give me a sec, please. Coming back in a minute. Give me a sec, please. I'm back. Sorry for that. G the Poet, I agree with you on the dangerous part, Alex. I have a saying, 1 hour of reflection beats 10 hours of overtrading. I can't agree more with you, my friend. I can't agree more with you. And really, and I mean this, sometimes we make trading difficult. Why? Because we are not trading our plan, we are trading our dreams. Try to think a little bit what I'm telling you. Overtrading comes because, my friends, we are trading our dreams and we are not trading our plan. Forcing things to happen and, of course, not being able to accept a loss. Yesterday, you saw I took in our private live stream during inside the community, you saw me take a loss altogether. Did I want to take a loss? No, of course. Did I like it? Of course I didn't. But even though I didn't take any other trades because I wasn't I didn't like what I was seeing from the PA. So I decided to accept the loss and move back and move and go away from the charts. This saves us from overtrading because I accepted the loss. So important. Smaragda said America, but I can tell your accent from a million miles away. Okay, born and raised in Florida, 100% Greek. Okay, Smaragda, I am the exact opposite from you. I was also born, I'm half American, half Greek, although I have been raised here in Greece. I came here 7 years old, but I was also born in the States in California. But yes, we all have an accent, so I know. I forgot my American accent because I'm living so many years here in Greece, and I must say that I have forgotten all my accent. It's gone away. My accent has gone away. My accent has gone away. PGA, we are on a resistance level on 4 hour on US 100. We had many touches previously acting as resistance. Of course we have. I won't disagree upon you. You call it a support resistance. I call it a bearish supply, order block, whatever you want. I believe that you're talking about this one, this area. This area. I agree with you. Despite this fact, I agree with you, PJI, PJA. Yes, hugs and kisses, Maragda. Hugs and kisses. Okay, welcome to the stream of the crazy guy from Greece. Welcome. If you like, of course, what we are doing over here, hit the like button. Link in the description, trdfloor.com to be part of our amazing community. with the amazing stuff going around. Zaki says Greeks are very adorable. I lived in Greece for about 10 years. Oh, my patrioti. I'm so happy for you that you were. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you enjoyed our beautiful country. You see, despite the fact that I'm going almost every morning to the gym and I try to watch what I'm eating because I must go on a diet. I love food and I love especially Greek food and I can't stop eating them. That's a big problem. Uh, Alex, what is your YouTube info so I can follow? I'm streaming only here for TTF. You subscribe to the channel, my friend Smaragda. We stream usually 2 times per week here in live on YouTube. And of course, if you want to deep dive even more into our community, link in the description, trdfloor.com. I enjoyed it and it changed my life perspective. Oh, Smaragda says I loved food too. Yes, I know, it's so amazing. I can't stop eating food. Okay, I was wondering. Yes, I follow. Thank you for the info. You're welcome. You're welcome, Smaragda. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay. The 4 hour, of course, formed. This means that this is officially an inverted fair value gap. An inverted fair value gap. News, of course, are released. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. Was it a safe choice that we didn't take a trade before news? We were right, we were wrong. Let's see. So curious to see what will happen. So curious to see what will happen. Souvlaki, yum yum, yes, amazing. Souvlakia. Gyros, gyros, pork gyros, pork gyros. I can fully relate to that. I also love food way too much. Yes, I am an owner of a fast food here in Greece, my beloved friends. So trust me, I really, really love food. That's why it's really, really difficult for me to keep and stay in a diet. Okay, okay. Let's see. Let's see. Very interesting. Very interesting. This, of course, as we said, is an inverted fair value gap. It was creating resistance for price. Now we expect it to create support for price. Of course, price is heavily bullish. Heavily bullish after this. Now the ideal scenario would be, of course, to see a small pullback of price and take a really nice continuation. The only thing that concerns me in taking a quick trade over here in this area, if we print the fractal frenzy signal, yes, and it's printing, is that price is quite overextended. But I'm going to take my first bullet. Wish me luck, my beloved friends. I'm going to take it. I know, I accept that price is overextended, but I'm going to take the trade. Hit the button. Boom. Boom. Wish me good luck. Let's cover the low. Quite big stop loss, 51 points. But let's go for our normal 1.5, of course. Let's see what will happen. Algo, I'm happy to hear that you are trying to take care of yourself without a healthy body. No surplus from good trades. Of course, here in Greece, we have an ancient motto that says good health in our mind, good health in our body. So we try to keep them both healthy so we can, and of course, don't forget that when you force yourself to go to the gym every day or to do your exercise, it keeps your discipline to the highest levels. Of course, no one every day wants to go to the gym. Of course, everyone every morning wants to go to the work, but sticking to the plan of your life from these small things makes us even more disciplined in our general. So this disciplined level will of course be applied also in the charts. Oh, and that motto is true, yes. Oh, thank you, Smaragda. Thank you. Yes, amen to good health, yes. Whoever knows me, of course, from TTF years now, before 2 years, I wasn't good in my health. I had to go to the hospital for 2 weeks. I had very strong pneumonia, and it wasn't COVID. I had how can I say it? I had a virus in my lungs, and this my stay, of course, in the hospital made me, of course, to decide to change my life completely, and of course, begin exercising, and of course, I stopped smoking. I was a 20-year smoker, and I stopped smoking after that. And now, for almost 3 years, I haven't smoked at all. Okay, on the trading floor and in life. Yeah, discipline is important. It is the most important thing, Smaragda. Trust me. It is one of the most important things that everyone must have. It's one of the most important things that everyone must have. Disciplined, and of course, not to be greedy. Not to be greedy. I have said multiple times, especially here in public in YouTube, that my friends, 50 points on NQ are enough to change your whole life. You don't need more. No one needs more. Only 50 points are enough. Thank you, Pat. Thank you, Smaragda. Thank you so much. Monica, very proud of you, Alex. That's wonderful. Take care of your health. Thank you so much, my friends. Thank you. Trust me, it is hard, but anyone can make it. If I was able to make it, everyone is able to. In trading, in life, in anything, everyone can make it. The only thing that I can't cut easily is food. I'm trying, but I can't. I'm trying. My job, of course, is also difficult for me to stop eating, but I try my best. I try. PJA says I will wait for the end of the hour. Okay, very nice decision. The reason of why I took it's because it is almost an Asian DR breakout, taking advantage of the second wave of the push after the Asian DR with the signal of fractal frenzy. And of course, why? Because we are having a bullish order flow also in the 4-hour. The only thing that I said that concerns me in this trade is that price is a little bit overextended, but it's okay. I accept the risk. I hope it plays out. Let's go. Let's see if Fractal Frenzy is going to nail it. Let's see. Fractal Frenzy, an indicator of TTF. Of course, whoever wants access to the TTF indicators, link in the description, trdfloor.com. And of course, not only this, you take unlimited hours of education. All the trading concepts out there are inside TTF. From ICT, SMC, DRIDR, price action, rule-based strategies, everything in one package. And of course, the most important, Earn as You Learn program, an amazing opportunity for everyone to make easy money, and I mean this, an amazing opportunity. Trade ideas almost daily, and of course, we expand these trading ideas, we analyze them, me, Bear, and Jay, we analyze them even more, and we go and we make them so you can be able to apply them also to prop firms. Come on, push, please. Push, Mr. Price, push, please. Come on. Don't play with us. I need to make content for the editor, please. Please, Price. Make my day-to-day public on YouTube so we can finish the week with a huge win. We need content. Come on, push. Push. And push it real good. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, push. Good job, Alex, says my friend Linda. Our health is the most important. Yes, of course it is, Linda. I can't agree more. Health. And the reason that I want to stay healthy, is because I love my kids and my wife so much, and they are so important for me that I can't imagine not being around them. Life is so beautiful, especially when you have people that love you so much. Because true happiness and true love is hidden not in money. They are not hidden in in nice cars or fancy clothes. They are all hidden in moments with the ones that you love, creating memories. This is the true happiness. And I'm telling you this from an experience, because the biggest struggle I had in my trading career was that I couldn't manage success and big numbers. So I learned and I taught myself to focus on the process and in the true things. I had a big problem with that. That's why I mostly focus on processes, on my beloved ones, and that's how I overcome all my struggles. Thank you, Algo 2.0. They are true words, my beloved friends. This is why I'm here. This is the cause and the purpose that I'm doing this almost 3 to 4 times a week, because I want all of you, through my experiences, to truly learn from them. And I mean this. The struggles that I had, all the difficult situation I was in, I'm trying to help you all to avoid them. Thank you, Linda. Thank you. Thank you, Pat. Keep it up, Alex. You're doing great with your health. Thank you. Thank you so much, Pat. Thank you. Thank you. On a trading note, when you are moving to break even, really nice. I should be already in break even. Oh no, in 51 points. Thank you for reminding me because we were talking over here. 51 points was my stop loss. We are almost risk free in our trade. Almost. Thank you, Pat, for reminding me because I was talking with you guys and I would forget to put my break even. I would have forgotten to put my break even. Yes, 51 points. At 1 to 1, I will put my break even. Thank you so much. That's the problem when I'm trading and I'm streaming the same time. Sometimes it can be a pain in the ass. Sometimes it can be a pain. Come on, push. We must make content for the creator, for the editor, please. Come on. The crazy guy from Greece needs a win. A public win in YouTube. I'm only taking losses. Everyone is going to believe that I'm a fake. I'm a fake guru. Raja says, please check US 30 for trading. Oh, why did you erase your message? Why? Let's go. What do you want me to look at? This was previous daily high. Who says that's not going to go higher? This is a drone liquidity. November high. I believe that it's going to take it. It will make a new all-time high. This is our overall target. Of course, it seems that it is pushing. If price is going, we have 45 minutes still for the candle. This will form probably a fair value gap. It won't be a bad idea if, of course, it pulls back a little bit and take a really nice continuation. Let's take a look also from ADR perspective. It's creating a megaphone pattern. Asia was a very small range. Okay. From my perspective, it will continue bullish. I don't believe that price is going in general to pull back. I believe that the other indices are going to push YM. Let's put the triad, of course, so everyone can see. Let's fix this one and make it, of course. No SMTs, nothing. Price is creating a higher high. We had earlier, as you're seeing over here, this is probably why the move happened. This is NQ and ES created, of course, a higher high. Here we see that price in YM created with the bodies a lower low. So we can say that this is a hidden SMT, of course, a hidden SMT. So now at the highs, I'm not seeing price is, of course, creating a higher high. Here is creating a higher high. Also over here is creating a higher high. I don't see any reasons for price to pull back. This is, of course, my opinion, my friend. I have a trade that I must put to break even. Risk free, my friends. Let's do content for the editor. Come on, push. Push. Smaragda says we are having too much fun in here. No more fun. Let's go to work. Yes. Let's go to work. Don't forget to focus in the charts and measure each candle one by one. It's not going up. It's not going down. It's not going on. Hello, Iron Maiden, my beloved friend. Nice to see you, mate. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Welcome. Whoever enjoys the content, please, my friends, hit the like button. I'm already in a position right now. I'm in a long on queue. I break even thankfully because it's probably reacting. Maybe my break even level was a resistance level. Okay, please don't do this to me. Algo 2.0 says I'm actually working right now. At least I'm trying to. Okay, my friend. I'm sorry distracting you from your work. Oh, please don't do this to us, please. Push. We need some content for the editor. Hello, my beloved friend Iron Maiden. Nice to see you, mate. It is our pleasure that you are over here, and I mean this. I mean this. Thank you very much. If, of course, you enjoy what we are doing over here, my beloved friends, don't forget to hit the like button. And whoever isn't member of TTF, of course, link in the description, trdfloor.com. An amazing package, but the most important thing, in my opinion, of course, that TTF provides, it is the most supportive community in the trading space. And I mean this, I have been part of many communities. So much support nowhere. And I mean this, and even in expensive communities. Even in expensive communities. I don't like how it is going back. It will probably go for my stop loss. For my break even. What is MYM doing, our friend? Okay. Okay. Everywhere, every index is pulling a little bit back, except, of course, MS. Yes, let's see. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Curious to see what will happen. Of course, I'm risk-free. This is the most important thing. This is the most important thing that I don't have any money on the table. We are happy having you, Iron Maiden, and I mean this. I mean this. Everyone, one by one, we are so thankful because remember, my friends, all together we are TTF. All together. Without you guys, we wouldn't exist. Without you guys, we wouldn't exist. Okay. Okay. Is the stream well, my beloved friends? Is my stream going well? Please help me to see if we don't have any problems. As I have said multiple times, I asked from my company provider to give me a new router because it's all the time doing some weird disconnections without a reason. As I was saying, I remain in the position. Let's see if we're going to make content, of course, for the editor. Let's see. Monica says, happy trail print 1 minute US index. It will hit break even. Oh no, it won't. I hope it won't. On US 30. Oh, I hope it don't. Push, please. Come on. Push. Push, please. Absolutely fine, says my friend PJA. Yes, of course, everything is always very good. Okay. I would like to say at this point, whoever is member, of course, of TTF, next week we are having a really nice event that we do every year here in TTF. The extravaganza is 2 days of full live streams that we're going to do. You all saw Christie's announcement. We discuss all the topics around trading, and of course, everything is going to be recorded for you to watch in futures. And every time that extravaganza comes, because we always do it around Christmas, it reminds me how many years I am in TTF, and I always go back and watch my first participation in that live stream. I wasn't live streaming back then. I was a simple member, and of course, Christy and all the TTF on and the RT, Christy, RT, Jay, Bear, everyone always showed trust to me and always invite me in these kind of events. And it's a really good opportunity for me to say thank you for the opportunity they give me so I can be able to be over here and express my thoughts and to be able to help as much as I can. I'm very thankful for them, and I mean this. Now that we are going near to Christmas, we must be more emotionally. We must share love and hope. Ah, no, I mean go up and you will have profit. Okay. I hope so. Raja says, do you live trading stream in London and US session in TTF for help in trading? For now, I'm only being able to... Oh no. Really? My stream went down. Oh no. Really? Sorry, mates, for that. Sorry if my connection went down. I personally live stream. Me personally live stream always on New York Open. On during London, other live streamers are streaming publicly on YouTube, and they are Jeza and Lemons. Of course, if you want to have access to even more private live streams, be welcome. Link in the description, trdfloor.com, my beloved friend. Monica says stream is fine for me. Okay. I thought that we went down again. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Blanco. Thank you, my beloved friend. We have to keep reconnecting. It's okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Thank you so much for supporting, my friends. Thank you so much. It means a lot for everyone, for all of us. Thank you so much. I must see what I will do. I hope they will send my router really quickly. Okay, it's pulling back now. I won't lie to you. I feel okay. I'm not going to lose money. That's why I insist why everyone must always use break even. This is my opinion, of course. I know that your numbers can be very, very bad, but imagine seeing your trade in such a good profit and end up in a loss. At least now I'm not going to lose money. I know it can be difficult, especially if you are trading future prop firms that are using trailing drawdown. But unfortunately, it is what it is. We can't do anything about it. If you are sizing correctly, even if you are using a prop firm that has trailing drawdown and their drawdown is based on the equity, you will never have problems. Why? Because you're not sizing hardly. You might have a problem when you're near your maximum drawdown, where there you will probably get stopped out much more earlier than you would expect it to. But it is what it is. Okay. Nothing price is doing currently. It is a small push that we expect from it. It's a small push that we are waiting, but we have a good company. We are all over here very good friends, enjoying the live stream and waiting all together to see what will happen. I'm so happy for that. I'm so happy for that. Did anyone else take any trades? I'm sure that some of you took the same trade. Speak forward. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. USD CAD is heavily down. What was the news? Oh, yes. Whoa. Yeah, really. Euro USD. We probably had also. This is GU. Okay, USD CAD. Probably we have some good announcements from good news for the Canadian dollar, probably. Let's check it. Yes, look, also against the JPY, we have some good Canadian dollar announcements, probably, because it's not a dollar weakness. You see also DXY is consolidating. So, okay. Oh, we are saved by the bell. Come on, push it. I'm not doing trading. I'm not doing trades before DR forms, says Algo 2.0. Very good. Unemployment rate down a bit. Okay. Pat says not this one, but today was the highest return I've ever done. I'm really starting to seeing and reading the charts much better for my long trades. TTF team and people on there have really helped. I'm so happy, and I mean this, that you have found so much value. And the most important thing that you did, my friend Pat, and I'm sure that you did it on purpose, is that you took the knowledge and added upon your already good system. So you added one more layer of knowledge, so it can help you make even more good entries. I'm so happy for you and so proud that I mean this. Amazing job you are doing over there, Pat. Well done. Well done. Okay, push please. Enough is enough. Please push. Come on. The IDR daily bias is unreal. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. As I have said multiple times, any concepts that anyone learns can be applied in their own trading system. You can't imagine. I can't remember if I have said publicly my personal story here in TTF. I was an SMC trader, and after 1.5 year of trading, I was making, of course, some profits. I was very lucky because I quickly understood that the small stop losses was a really stupid thing. So I changed that, and being more passive, I was able to make some profits. But I was so tired of overanalyzing the markets, finding one point, the other liquidity, the other, so many details, so much charting. I was so tired. That's why when the RIDR came in front of me, after of course I deep dived into ICT concepts, it helped me so much to understand and think in the proper way, because the game that we are playing is a probability game, and the RIDR concepts give us the probabilities that we need in order to have a true edge. USD CAD says gives me a confirmation on the first candle if it closes like this. AUD USD also. USD CAD. Yes, be aware, my beloved friend, Algo 2.0. It is very, very overextended. It is very, very overextended. This doesn't mean that it can go lower, but I would like to see price at least the DR to form at this area so we can have room to go down. This is a heavily push. I would be aware of a pullback and probably after this huge push to see a consolidation. Be aware. Trust me, when I trade the RIDR and price is overextended, I don't execute any trades because of this. Okay, push please. Push, please, please. Atanasov, my friend, says it's time for a magnet. I will put the magnet again. I will put the magnet again. Last time I put the magnet, it went against me. Let's see if Technologia will help us today. Let's see if Technologia will help us. Technologia. Okay, let's go. You see, when I put the magnet, it sends it to the other way. Come on. I put Technologia over here. You see, when I put the Technologia, it immediately reversed upon me. Come on. Oh, come on. What are you doing? Ugh. Really nice reaction. What is the red line over here, my friends? Who knows to answer me? Put it on the other side, said my friend Atanasov. Magnet, what kind of sorcery is this? It's Technologia. Technologia. Look. Come on. Pull price. Pull. The crazy guy from Greece needs us. The crazy guy from Greece needs you. 50%? What 50%? Oh, 50% that will go up or down. I don't know. 50%. No, this red line. You answering the red line. No. The red line is not the 50%. The 50% is this dotted line over here that I can, of course, make it dust. Yes, okay. This is the middle line. The red line is the closing price. Whoever has access, of course, to my TTF videos, please go and check. I have made a video how to predict an early confirmation. How to predict. This is the closing price of the DR. the DR IDR session range. This is the closing price. This red line is the closing price. Linda says, have to go. Thank you for another great stream, Alex. Have a great weekend. Have a great weekend. Nice to see you. Thanks for joining. It means a lot. Thank you so much. Algo 2.0, AUD USD is now forming the bullish pullback after confirmation on the line. PJA is the closing price of the New York DR. If you go and check, all the DR IDRs have a red line. It's the closing price. Closing price, opening price. The green line, the red line. Green line, red line. And of course, we will probably take our break even. It's not time for us to make a video for the editor. It's okay, of course. It's always okay. It's always okay. It's always okay. Okay. Interesting stuff going around. We, of course, from the moment that we took the trade, of course, price is in a huge consolidation. I wish that I could do anything about it. I can't, of course. The most important is that we are risk-free, as I said. So if it goes back, we will make a few bucks. Make a few bucks so we can buy a dinner to our wonderful wife. Okay. Did anyone else take any other trades? Did anyone else take any trades? Of course, in a little bit, we're going to end the stream. Of course, I'm going to post the results of it. Mr. Ken didn't take any trades. Okay. Very good decision, my friend Ken. The markets lately are very weird. I won't lie to you. Not providing so much good movements during New York. I believe that this will change. Up, it's pushing back. It's going to save us or not? Let's see. Is it going to save us? It's going to hit our stop loss and end the stream quickly. You see what I said about the magnet. When I put the magnet, let's erase it to see what will happen. Are we going to be saved? From the moment I put the magnet, it is going down. Now that I erased it, let's see what will happen. It will still go down. That's what will happen. It will still go down. Sadly, a new system 2, not system 1. Yes, of course. I know it's difficult, but we must be patient upon it. No, it's Friday and it's crazy. Action, says PJA. I agree with you. It's Friday. Everything is crazy on Friday. But in general, this week, from the beginning of the month, price action has been very difficult. Because in general, what we are seeing from the bigger time frames, yes, it is in a consolidation after this huge push. So unbelievable, Alex. Never use them again. Yes, I won't. I won't put again the magnet. It is a jinx. Put the magnet in reverse, says PGA. Yes. Not even the magnet can save me. Not even the magnet can save me. But it is a good idea. I will do it. I will put the magnet from the opposite. Let's play a little bit before we end the stream. Look what price is doing, mates. Okay. Come on, push. Silly stuff. Silly stuff. Take me out of my misery. Okay. Oh, unfortunately, break even. It's okay. It is what it is, of course. At least we didn't lose. This is the most important. Journal the trade, of course. It was a break even. All okay. Let's erase also the limit order. Everyone that is trading trade of 8, always be aware of that. My friends, it was my pleasure that you enter for one more live stream. It means a lot for me. Thank you so much. Enjoy the weekend in front of us. Don't forget, for you that you are members of TTF, Monday and Tuesday, we're going to have the extravaganza event for Christmas. Thank you so much. It means a lot. All the support that you are giving to us. Whoever, of course, is not a member of TTF and wants to have access to these amazing 2 days of transparency and trading concepts, link in the description on trdfloor.com. Have an amazing weekend, my beloved friends. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. See you next week. Thank you so much. Thank you, mates.